Oof. Put a timer on. See how long it takes for it. There you go. All right, let's do this. Alright, this actually is my second time doing it, but if you see that right there, now you got to register before you go up, because a lot of people is calling for emergency to come down. Alright. Got to go all the way up. I'm going to stop recording. A little ways up to get y'all when we get halfway up there. Each mark. Let's do it. Pace ourselves. Already did like a 7-mile bike ride to get here. And these gnats is crazy. So let's see if we can make it up. And of course, we gotta make it down. But the good thing about it is a trail on the side. On the way back down, prepared to take any steps. And this is actually the second time doing it. Did it like 2 years ago. So, and that was tough. I did it off the rip, no exercise. Fresh, no bike ride, nothing. Gotta be careful on each step. So, we already be back. This mark, 200 steps already. Whew. We up there, baby. I'm not sure if you see that. But we 300 steps in. Steps in, baby. Make sure you bring you a jug. Stay hydrated. Feel good going up, but it's still tiring. Ain't really much feeling good about this, but you'll feel good once you accomplish shit. Gotta be motivated. Let's get it. And that way right there, I'm feeling too exhausted to go anymore. It's the safest way to head down, which is the way you would need to take to walk back down. Going back down like that right now, it's okay. Once you get halfway up there, you really don't want to turn off unless you turn down this path to walk on a straight path. You don't want to walk straight off this when you do that incline. All right, 500 in. Yeah, gotta keep pushing. So we can surpass some people that have already been on the trail or the incline. Let's do it. Woo! We up there. We are up there. Oh, keep pushing. Don't know what step I'm on, but we are up there. Yeah, 700 right there. Skip 600 because I didn't realize where it been. But step 1800. Almost there. Starting to rain. That's step number 2000. I believe it's 2500 or some shit. 2,000 steps in a goddamn year. Right now, with these steps right here, you gotta kind of like bear crawl, damn near. So, see with these, you wanna get a look down. Step 2000. Look backwards, camera wise, you know. Look at it, man. 2000. We almost there. Almost there. Almost at 2200. Here's the crazy part. You look like you're done, but you're not done. When you get to this one, 2200. You look up. I'm almost there. Oh. We up. We almost there. shape them right there. Right there. That's where broke my bike. I don't see it. But, yeah. Keep pushing. 2,300 in, and the bear is passing. What's up, buddy? $2,600 in. All right, 47. 27 in. Yeah. Look at it. Bro, leg shaking. All type of shit. Almost there. I think we're on the last push. All right, let's get in. Then we're on the last push. Let's go. Damn. Let's go. Last part.
Everybody's got that rock.
Pauline? Allá viene.
Yay, you did it!
Pictures up, pictures down.
Thank you.
trees down. But look at this beautiful view. Look at that beautiful view. Such amazing view. All right, we going this way, back down the bar trail. Pikes Peak, it's that way. So it seemed like I'm gonna end up walking that way. It's time for me to do that. Pikes Peak. I'm gonna get that video out. I don't know when I'm gonna go do that. So we can go up Pikes Peak, or we can go down to Manitou, top of the incline. Just did the incline. We're on our way back to Manitou. But that's the next big hike. I'm ready. But not today, not today. I'm gonna turn around, fall out here. Crap. Gotta be careful. Good thing just towards the mountain, not away from the mountain. Watch every step. Oh. Gotta be careful. The thing about it, you gotta make sure you have some good shoes on. These shoes don't have no more grip. So definitely when I go do the bar trail, I'm gonna have hiking boots on. So I need all the grip I can get. But yeah, we're gonna do that starting the fall for 2 reasons. One reason, I gotta do something big before that one, and then that's gonna get me ready for the hike and everything. But besides that, definitely a lot of animals, including bears, go into hibernation, or about to start the hibernation. They're eating like crazy now during the summertime, but it's gonna be tough. But we'll see you at the bottom. 13 miles that way. Almost there. Oh crap. way back on the ground. Oh, man. Gotta walk way over there. Grab my bike. And ride way back down there. I'll meet you right at the beginning. You think that's the base? Nah. It just was warm up. Way up there. Cloudy, can't really see. Still not really back on like level ground. We felt like what you call it in the air.
What do you think? वापस आ दो मैं 700 और है अच्छी तस्वीरें लेकर और सेफली उतर के आकर मुझे बारिश भी हो रही है तुमने रिकॉर्ड बना लिया है